time for another episode of Make Space Boring, this one for Friday, December 6th, 2019. So we had Bob Whearty of Marsh JLT, Space Insurance, had a chat with him, and he's decided that he wants to be on the Cold Star Project to talk to us about how the space insurance industry works. So that'll be really cool. I don't know exactly what he's going to share, but you know, it will be interesting because that is a world not many of us know about. Somebody who will be booking soon is Alistair Funge. He's a space operations veteran of 20 plus years with the U.S. Air Force, participated in the launch of 4 GEO SATCOM spacecraft, and is totally into CubeSats and ThinSats and knows the difference, and he will tell you what is the difference. Plus he wrote a book. I think he's written a couple actually. This one here is called Daytime Detection of Space Objects. All right. So he'll be a guest coming up fairly soon. Monday's episode of the Cold Star Project, the full format show, will be with Dr. Joel Sercel, and we'll be talking about his Mini-B project that has been funded by NASA NIAC, and it will be going up into space to test out this technology of asteroid mining. And a university in Florida is actually making an artificial asteroid that will go up with the Mini-B and be mined, because that was the easiest way of getting an asteroid close to Earth. So look for that Monday. Also, I noticed something that I want to pass along. If you will be in the Swiss area next Thursday, the 12th of December, Dr. Moriba Jah, who will be my guest in an episode coming out in two weeks, so 3 Mondays from now, Dr. Moriba Jah's episode will come out on the Cold Star Project. But you can see him in Switzerland at the L'École Polytechnique Fédérale de Lausanne, December 12th. His topic, he's got a room there, and he will be talking about space safety. I've got to read this. This is a lot. Space safety, security, and sustainability. Challenges in quantifying, monitoring, and assessing resident space object behavior, because he is a big math and physics guy. And in our discussion, you will learn a lot. If you missed that, if you can't go to Switzerland, check that out. I'm going to drop a link below about this appearance on the 12th of Dr. Moriba Jah in Switzerland. And in there, he's got a TED Talk as well that's linked to that you might want to check out. So he's a pretty engaging guy. So I guarantee you it will be a good use of your time. Oh, you know what? I forgot to ask this yesterday, so I'll ask it today. If you know somebody who would make a good guest on the show, so somebody who is in the space and or small sat field, and you feel that their message needs to get out into the world, and they could use a discussion like the ones that that executives and regulatory folks and academic representatives have with me, to use as something to give out to a person that they haven't met before, maybe before they get the chance to talk to you. It's a good thing to give them this link to an interview with me, and then they can know about you before you chat, and then that it advances the plot, right? It gets you and them up to speed before they ever take up any of your time. So a lot of my guests have found that very useful. That's it for the week, December 6th. Remember, we're on a mission to get user adoption of space by the public so that space becomes boring to them, because once we achieve that, boy, things are going to be really going great out here in the space field. I'll talk to you Monday.